Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to free up Google account storage. If you're using any Google account and you want to free up storage of your Google accounts, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select your Google account from here. And on this screen, you'll see the option of more apps here. Just click on it and then click on Google Drive. Or you can also search for Google Drive here, search for Drive or Google Drive to open that. Open the first website here and you might get Google Drive here. So from here, you just have to select storage option and you will see how much storage you have used or how much storage you have remaining in your Google storage. So if you want to free up storage, just click on clean up space and here you will see what you can clean. So I'm gonna clean these raw large drive files. Just click on review to get that review of your file. So if you want to delete them, just check or select the file which you want to delete and then click on delete option, then click on I understand that delete item can be recovered, and then just click on permanently delete. So it will permanently delete files you have selected from your Google account. So it will help you to free up space of your Google account. So in this way, you can easily free up space of your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.